We don't think anyone would even notice that these excellent Easter chocolate brownies are a healthier version, but they might just ask you for the recipe, and that's if there are any left. Start off by soaking 150 grams of chopped dates in a bowl. These are the secret ingredient that give the brownies their authentic gooey and fudgy texture. Melt 110 grams of low-fat spread and stir in 4 11-gram sachets of low-calorie drinking chocolate, 4 tablespoons of sweetener granules and 60 grams of caster sugar. Whisk in 3 eggs, sift in 110 grams of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add the drained dates, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 24 roughly chopped chocolate mini eggs. If you want to do a cream egg version, leave out the mini eggs at this stage and pop half a mini cream egg on top of each finished brownie. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 fan, 180 degrees C or gas mark 4. When they're cool, cut into 24 and top with the chocolate eggs and dust with a teaspoon of icing sugar. Now you're all ready for an extra special Easter.